Trade Confident family, Jake here. How is everyone doing today? I want to provide you an update on the Solana call out we made at the end of last week. We were expecting a much larger drop than what happened, followed by a pump. Now, I do think the pump is going to happen. At this point, I think after this next move, we could see a move up of around 15%. This is very, very exciting, but we have to watch out because the 4-hour time frame here, if we move over, is looking a little bit more bearish. So moves down are possible still, but not as drastically as previously expected before the move up. Let me show you why. Jumping over to the Trade Confident homepage, we're 167 wins, 0 losses in our membership trades. And as a heads up, there's a brand new future forecast video talking about a potential stock market crash coming up through these next couple of years. Crucial insight there. If you want to learn more, memberships are at the links in the description below. More on that later, but let's jump into the analysis, scrolling down to Solana. Now, the first metric we're taking a look at today is the emotional index. Currently, we are in neutral territory. This one is a little bit wonky, and I'm going to tell you why. Most often, the lower you go on this metric, the more bullish we are, especially as we push into anxious. As you can see here, this is where we're seeing moves up in price, but the blue line is dropping while the price is increasing. So this means that as the price is increasing, we're actually getting more bullish. Very interesting here. We're going to have to keep a close eye on this one because if we get a reversal and push into excited, a drop is actually more likely. Stay tuned for this metric over the next couple of days. Next up, we want to be talking about whale money. Of course, where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. And currently there is short trade sentiment as the price has risen. This is going to show you what whales are likely to do soon though. Short trade sentiment is in the market coming up, but for now, we need to be paying attention to what whale money is actively doing. This is actually confirming that bearish sentiment. Whale money is dropping out of the market. We are currently in the middle of its chart, fairly neutral. There is a chance of a bounce and reversal at this point. It's very common for Solana to actually trade within this middle range. But if we don't and whale money continues out of the market, we need to be careful for a potential drop. I'm going to actually tell you exactly where I think that drop's going to head. But before we get to the live charts, I'm going to show you the Solana trade signals chart. As the price gradually increases throughout this prediction, we're going to be looking for a sell and strong sell signal. Very consistently, the TC top and bottom finder, the trade signals here, is showing moves down after every single sell signal. Even if it's only a small temporary halt, we are seeing moves down, so we have to pay close attention to that. As the price increases, if we get a sell signal, we can expect another drop. As this plays out, Solana traders, these update every single day at 8 a.m. Pacific time. Do not miss out on these signals, and as a heads up, members get access to the trade setups and future forecast videos that we're posting every week. If you want to sign up, links are down in the description below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. The membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to the membership page. Hurry, price increases to $65 a month are coming April 20th. Currently, the price is $59 a month, and if you purchase now, you'll stay at that discounted price. Membership is going to include everything I just showed you and more. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, we're heading into the live charts. We're trading Solana USD. First here is going to be the 4-hour time frame. We're using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus whale money flow, and trades in favor indicators. As we reject resistance here at $195.99, we got price versus whale money flow high, we got trades in favor high, and a sell signal. We are quickly approaching structure support at $181.89. And if we touch that support while whale money is still high, if at that point we see whale money continue dropping, there's a strong chance of a drop towards structure support at $167.50. Now, last video, I had talked about a drop to $150 way down here. At this point, I see that I think that was a little bit too bearish. For now, $167.50 is the absolute lowest I think we're going without a market catalyst that would drop the entire market lower. If everything goes as planned, everything in the market is normal, I think Solana is going to fall between these two structure supports at which point we should see much more bullish signals. Once we see price versus whale money flow low and trades in favor low, showing the whales and the market itself is oversold, this is where whales are likely to begin buying back into the market, and where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. As they buy, this green line will increase. Whale money moving into the market will show a price increase as well, at which point upward momentum will increase. I think this could easily bring us up to resistance here at $195.99. Again, an easy test of that resistance after our bounce from support. But honestly, there's some more bullish news coming out. It looks like Europe has just been approved to start trading ETFs across multiple currencies. So in the long run, I'm talking as we approach the halving event, I think we could easily push as high as $209.90. And as we head to the one-day time frame, this theory is supported. Whale money is still in the middle of its chart. I would consider this a neutral reading, but trades in favor is low with a 63% chance of a pump. If we get a drop as far down as $167.50, I'm betting these signals are going to be much more bullish. And just as we talked about in the last Solana video, once we get both the 4-hour and one-day time frame lining up bullish, this is where we're more likely to see larger points in the market. And the last time we saw signals this low, last time we saw price versus whale money flow and trades in favor low, we actually got a buy signal at that point too. But the point is, we saw insane moves to the upside. So we have to keep this in mind. There is a possibility that $209 would just be the beginning of this next pump. But in order to go any higher, we have to break that resistance. So this is going to be our target moving forward. And of course, we will do our absolute best to keep everyone updated. If you want to trade these signals yourself, you're going to want to get these indicators. It is crucial that you pay attention for whale money low and trades in favor low on both the 1-day and the 4-hour time frame. This is how we're calling the bottom, and it's so consistent. We've showed you multiple times right here, price versus whale money flow low, trades in favor low. As we tested support, called that move up too. Let me show you how you can get $550 off real quick. You're going to do that at the links in the description down below. Go ahead and scroll down, click more. Indicators are the second link. Click that, and it's going to bring you to the Pro Indicator page. It is significantly cheaper to purchase with a membership than it is without one. Your first $150 off is at this coupon code link. From there, click Pro Indicator Pack. Go ahead and scroll down and click I want this. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click Pay, and it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off, giving you a full $550 discount. Go ahead and click Add to Cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident. Do not miss out on the future forecast video or the next trade setups. I'll see you in the membership.